Hey guys, today we're talking about discounts, markups, sales tax, and tips. So to figure out a discount, I'm going to show you two different ways. First, you can find the amount of the discount and then subtract it from its original price. For example, if we buy a pair of jeans that cost is 30% off the original price, which was $29, we want to figure out the sale price. So here's how we do it. So the first step is to multiply your 30% times your 29. Well, we know a percent is a decimal, which with 30% it would be 3/10. So I'm going to multiply that and I get a discount of $8.70. I'm going to take that off of my $29 because if I'm getting a discount, it's removed from the price. So really $20.30 is what I pay. Now, if we look at this from a different perspective, the 30% is the discount. What is the percentage that I'm actually paying? It's going to be 70%. This gives you the total cost of the item. So the discount plus what I should be paying, which is 70%, gives me 100%. So the question down here says, why would expressing 30% as a discount be the same as multiplying the original amount by 70%? Because if you're paying $20.30, you're also paying 70%. We can even prove it with math. Watch here. So if I take my $29 times my 70%, I get $20.30. That's the same as this one. Okay, you try this one. I'll be back in just a second to show you the answers. Go ahead and pause the video. All right, here's what I did. So what you could do is you could take your $20 times your 20% and get $4. Remove that from 20 and that's how much you're going to pay. You're going to pay a discounted rate of $16. Now, the other way that we could do this, which I like this way best, is figure out, okay, if I pay 100% for an item and I remove my 20% discount, I'm really paying 80%. So multiply your 20 by your 80% and you get $16. Let's look at some other examples. Markups. A store sells skateboards and they buy them from a manufacturer at a wholesale price of $57. So that's how much they're paying. The store's markup is 150%. So what is the retail price? So the first step is to add or to find the amount of the markup. So we're taking 57 times 150%, which is 1.5, which is $85.50. That's how much they're going to make when they sell the item. So this is their profit, right? When we use that word, we know that's how much they're making. So we have to add that to the original wholesale price of $57, which we get 50 cents here. So they're going to sell this for $142.50. So if I wanted to sell this item, I'm selling 100% of the item, and that's my $57. I'm also selling 150% of the item. So that is technically 2.5 or 250% of the item. So if you wanted to use that little trick of the trade where we don't have to use that additional step of adding, you can just multiply 57 times your 250% or 2.5 and you get 142.5, which is 50 cents if we speak mathematically with money. So the reason for this is, again, because you're paying 100% of the item, which is your 57, and then an additional 150% for the markup. All right, you try which one's best for you. You can use the adding it on, or you can add your 100% to figure out this markup. I'll be back in just a second to show you the answers, so make sure that you've paused the video and tried this. Remember, you can use a calculator. Okay, so either way, you can take 38 times 85 hundredths and get 32.30. Add your $30 original price and get $70.30. Or you can think, okay, 85% plus my original price of it that I bought it for, the wholesale price, which is 100% of 38, add those together and you get 1.85 or 185%. So when you multiply it by 185%, again, you get $70.30. All right, you're at a restaurant, you're ordering a meal that costs $12. You're gonna leave a 20% tip, and the sales tax is 5%. What is the total cost of your meal? Okay, so if you look over here, first you're finding the tip. 20% of 12 is $2.40. Okay, so then we take our 5% of 12, which is 60 cents. Now, when you find the sales tax and the tip, you're finding it both from the 12, not from your $2.40 with your 12. A lot of my friends do that, and I tell them, no, you do not have to tip and figure out your tax based on anything but your total cost of the meal. So when we do this, then we add them all together, and I get $15. So the total cost of the meal is $15. All right, you try this one. You're gonna buy a sandwich, fries, and a drink at a sandwich shop for $8.78. You wanna leave a tip of 20%. Which of the following tips should you leave? Okay, so you're just finding the tip. Ready, set, go. All right, so if you do this, you're taking $8.78 times 20%, and you get 1.756. That's not in money yet. We don't have thousands when we're looking at money. We only have hundredths. So look at your 5, look at your 6. The 6 tells the 5, hey, add another penny, and we get $1.76, or C. And that is all I have for you today. I'll see you next time.